Minglawa Kamia, Tini, Chano, short and sweetly, Miawi Beach in a Chawaro, the Router Art Fort Protection Bono, Router Art Fort Suraga, Chano, the generator Gloma, the Router Lepane, Router Surashia Bono, Adi Router Ma solution to a sick bindia, the Art Fort Kupitware, a Lupitwalushin said. Seti Pietwara, generator Pesiwara, Thomas Stretchy, Delara, that is Septinine, Tilo 40 go, shooting Kakwe word to go, General Gajaro, Router Alpha Protection, Ilani Tone. Amia Apia solution, Nilan Nakugo, Adiga Ta Biro, Tone, the Kuajaro, the potential meter method, look core, the Nilama solution. Brush pare generator to go down a miare. Ruta ye goes and I know Tico, Fopita to a T9, Tinta 9. The circuit Kutema, Geraldi time a Wheatstone Bridge look core, the methane, Sakilio doesn't hire, I volish imbalance pillar cajaro, relay detail load. Ground for pillar kajar balance Pietwara, Tajo Relia trigger pit. So, Shinshin Bioma solution, root at him, changing vorish Mamiarane, Miani Lansura, to assist Sabia, Mamiarane, 4 pennies to a Tigwabio, TC9 Nibono, not Kugajaro, the AC injection method, Core, 2 Jarapo be 100% detection Yalo Pioja, the Nilama solution. Rutago 100% 40 low 9. The high frequency, low voltage AC signal, router wine that Tetwin be like the signal response go voltage drop and in a carpia and view port out. The Nilanganimas, the Nilani which are a slip rim party router to go, Tombo Telio, the Lomio sicknet, the daily router heavy pentualare, a chusa or GB or 4 shimeshi campana, Dinia. That just slip rim palmaswing, AC injection method go dome, brush router pimaswing, potential meter method go dome. Through a cool solution, the modern relay system, the sensitivity, Pumila, land respond you. Titicha Bobio low 9 larebono. The generally Tonia generator Mamaka, the offshore application in Matimor, Iraq to Male, Tilove 40 go overlook my people to account only language which Lurabono. The router art for Soya, Tagalu Tinel, same tone critical pitted rachel, the critical for the coup pitted rachel, reliable, the netty jamu. Shipolo at Devano. So, at the time, Mama, short and sweet, Dominis Queza Lapono, Miawe Pirawa.
Rotor earth fault protection. In professional electrical engineering, rotor earth fault protection is critical for maintaining the integrity and performance of rotating machinery, such as generators. Two primary methods are commonly employed. The potentiometer method and the AC injection method. The potentiometer method is typically suitable for rotors that utilize brushes. It effectively covers about 95% of the rotor. This method detects faults by measuring voltage imbalances in a Wheatstone bridge circuit connected to the rotor. When a ground fault occurs, the imbalance generates a detectable voltage, triggering the protective relay. On the other hand, the AC injection method provides comprehensive coverage, protecting 100% of the rotor. This method injects a high-frequency, low-voltage signal into the rotor winding. By analyzing the response, it can precisely detect any earth faults across the entire rotor. This method is especially useful for rotors with at least one slip ring to connect the field circuit. Modern advancements have refined these methods, improving detection accuracy and reliability. For marine and offshore applications, robust and precise rotor earth fault protection is essential to ensure safe and efficient operations.